Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we'll see aggregate key, aggregate function, aggregate action. In previous lecture, we have seen fold and reduce also, right? Now aggregate. See, aggregate also similar to fold only. So what you can initialize some value whenever you want to perform some arithmetic operation. What is the difference between aggregate and fold is in fold, fold method allows only one aggregation on the partitions and on the result of partitions. But aggregate method allows to perform an aggregation on the partitions and another aggregation on the result of partitions. So only fold, in using fold we can perform one aggregate operation. Using aggregate we can perform one more aggregate operations on result of partitions, result of first aggregation. So we'll see one example for this. I'm creating one RDD val R2 equal to sc dot make RDD 7 and 2 partitions. Okay. Now R2 dot aggregate of 2, and I'm doing addition, right? So if you do this, if you execute, try to execute now similar to fold, it will throw error. You can see syntax here, not enough method. So we have to pass one more aggregate in here. Okay. So what I will do, here it is similar to fold, but fold here, using fold we can process one time only, one aggregation only. Here using comma separator you can perform on output of this aggregate function. Again we can perform one more aggregation. Let us consider I am performing some minus on that. Okay. So output is a minus 30. How minus 30? We'll see how it is giving minus 30. Okay. So as I discussed earlier, 2 plus 1. Okay. 3. 3 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So first partition sum is 8. Next partition same, 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 6 plus 5 equal 6 plus 5 equal to 11, and 11 plus 6 equal to 17, and 24. The output will be 8 to 24. Again 2 is there, minus 2 we are doing, right? So what is the minus 2? Again this on this output again we are doing minus 2. So 2 minus 2 minus 8 equal to minus 6, right? Minus 6. So that second partition's output to 24 okay, minus 6 minus 24, so equal to minus 30. This is the output. So what is the difference here between fold and aggregate? Here we are fold allow only one aggregation. This aggregate method will allow two aggregations. For the result of first aggregation, we can perform one more aggregation. Okay, that is the only reason. This is all about aggregate and fold methods. Okay, thanks for watching.